my sweet people, today's video is on this cornflakes French toast, and if you want to know how I made this, just keep on watching. The items needed for this French toast will be cornflakes, milk, brioche bread or plain bread if you prefer, maple syrup, vanilla extract, egg, and butter. You can grab a bowl and add in your egg, and then you can add in your milk. Then you can whisk it until it's fully combined. Add in your vanilla extract and then just continue mixing. Grab another bowl and add in your cornflakes. So you can just add 1 cup or how much you think that you need for the amount of bread you want to use. So I'm just using 2 slices here, so I'm just eyeballing it, but yeah, you can add more or lesser if you prefer. So all you need to do is just add in the cornflakes and then just crush them using your hands or any other method that you prefer. Done, you can add butter to your pan, and then once that's hot to roll, you can add your bread into the egg mixture. So make sure they are coated well on both sides with the mixture, and then you can put them in the cornflakes bits, so that you can coat them with the cornflakes, fully coat them as much as you can. If not, you just can add them on later when you're still cooking on the top. Yeah, so just coat it and then you can start to fry. Add them to your pan and then just fry them until they're golden brown, and then you can flip the other side and then fry it again, and once they're golden brown you can remove from the heat. interesting recipe to make because I'm more of a sweet French toast kind of person. So this is the first time I'm actually making something that I'm not sure if it's called savory, but you know, to me it is because there's no sugar involved at all in the French toast. Yeah, so actually it was kind of interesting and really nice actually. At the end I was surprised, and because I added a lot of maple syrup, but yeah, you can add less if you want, or you know, add something else, other syrups. Once both of the breads are fully cooked, you can remove and plate them. So I'm just plating it here, and then you can add in your syrup. So I'm using maple syrup, and I added quite a bit of it, so it was actually not sweet. So adding the maple syrup really helped a lot if you're really a person who loves sweet French toast like me. So this was really interesting recipe, and I loved it. Even though it was not sweet to begin with, but of course with the syrup it does help. But it was a different and kind of unique thing that I've ever made in terms of French toast. So it was really nice, and that's the end of my video, guys. Hope you liked it. If you tried, definitely let me know. So this was really nice, and I'm glad to share the recipe. So thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine. Yeah, hey, look.